Hi Sas'ke, finally a new video. I know it's a review, but I'll come back soon with other videos on my channel because, oh my god, this month we are so much Sas'ke. We are about 50,000 Sas'ke on YouTube, on this channel. It's incredible, guys. I really never ever imagined that I reached these numbers, really. It's unexpected. I can describe this moment really. So thank you so much, guys, because you're so sweet with me and I'm so grateful. But I'm really much grateful to all the people who are following me on Patreon because I'm not so active on YouTube. So thank you so much for your support on Patreon, Sas'ke. We are so much, guys, and this time I have to read them on my post-it because you are so much. So thank you so much to Alexandro, Dani, Miguel, Azalea, Kat, Angel, Lune, Tai, Danilo, Grant and Efias. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support. See you in the next video. I'll come back very soon this time. Promise. Bye bye.